Hey y'all, what's up everybody? It's marvesejanette and I am back with another video. Today on this Feasting Friday, I am going to be preparing a banana pudding and just showing you all the steps that I take to make this all come together. This is going to be a series of 3. So this is the first video. Next week will be another video, and then the following week is going to finish out all this content that you are currently seeing, the 3 different things that I will be preparing for you all. So right now I'm just going to be opening the packs of pudding. I have 2 packs of vanilla and 1 pack of banana flavored pudding. So I'm putting them into the bowl. You want to make sure that you have a large enough bowl to hold all of the content. And the reason why that you need a large bowl is because you're going to have to use a blender to blend the ingredients in, and you do not want all of the content spewing out or splashing all over the place, because you want to have a little bit of mess to clean up. You don't want to dirty up the whole kitchen. All right, so right here is me putting the blender together to get everything started. So we're gonna have to add milk to it. This is me measuring the milk. So you're gonna add that to the bowl and some more milk. I'm gonna add the milk to the bowl. So the bowl is beginning to get full. This is why you need the extra space. So you need a large bowl so that everything can fit in. Right here I'm adding the good old sweet milk. It's so good. So we're adding this to the bowl also. So of course you cannot have a little cereal bowl, because for one, it's not gonna fit, and if it does, it's gonna be all the way to the top. You're just gonna have a mess all over the place. That's not what we want. We want to be clean. So you got to get all of that goodness out of that. Get a spoon to rake it into the large bowl. This is what I call rather getting my money's worth. I don't want to leave a drop behind. This is the vanilla extract, so got to add that vanilla for flavor and blender time. So what'll happen here, you want to blend all of that stuff together for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's well blended and you have like the thick, not too thick but not too runny consistency of pudding. And then you want to add your whipped cream, which causes it to be looser and enables you to have more in like preparing for like a large amount of people. That's my sister's hands. She's playing for I don't know, she's so funny, like she must be in the video. So yes, as I stated, the Cool Whip is to stretch it out and make it more and loose. Look at Jamise. Follow Jamise the brand on Facebook and Instagram. She is a stylist, so go ahead and see whatever it is that she has going on. And she has blackity.com where you can purchase her clothing. So support that. Go ahead to Jamise the brand, or Jamise L Patterson, blackitythebrand.com, blackity.com, I'm sorry. Follow those social media platforms and be a support. So here I am preparing the pan for the banana pudding. So first I lay out the cookies. The cookies are nice and laid out. Then we're gonna add bananas, and just keep on repeating this over and over and over and over again, and it's gonna be amazing. I can promise you that. So I think I had about 2 boxes of cookies, and I think about 5 bananas. I like to have more cookies than bananas, but as you can see how I'm spreading everything, you know, over the pan. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you don't want to have like a cluster of bananas, and then like space and a cluster of bananas. So kind of distribute them evenly over the pan. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just give them a little space. And then you add that goodness, that pudding. Whew, doesn't it look so good? Man, it looks good. So after you add a little layer of pudding, then you just even it out over the cookies and bananas that you have placed in the bottom of the pan. Again, it does not have to be perfect, but just kind of level it out a little bit so it's not too high on one side and low on the other. And then you're gonna repeat the process with the cookies. Spread them out all over the pan. Y'all like how fast I move, don't you? Didn't know I could move that fast. Whew. Shout out to being able to speed up videos so you can make about an hour long video, not an hour, into a 9-minute video. Isn't that amazing? So yeah, right here you're just gonna add those cookies. Add those cookies. And of course, after you add that next layer of cookies in, you're gonna go right back to adding the bananas, little slices of bananas all over. And so this recipe is so easy because it does not require you to bake. It's not like the homemade baked banana pudding. To put on cook so much stuff on the stove and then put it into the oven. It's not that. And baked banana pudding is good, I'm sure. A lot of you have had it, but for something that's quick and easy on the go, that does not require a lot of time or effort, this is perfect. And I mean, the cookies will get soft after like a day or two, just like they would if you bake them. So it's kind of give you like that cake effect. So I say go with this recipe. If you want the recipe, drop a comment below and I will certainly get it to you. As a matter of fact, if you do want it, I can just post it on my Facebook business page, which is Marvese J Williams. That's Marvese, J as in Jeanette, Williams. Just hop over to Facebook, type that in the search engine, and put a like on my Facebook business page. And if you want this recipe, you can hit me up on there, or you can just drop a comment down below on this video. Don't forget to give me a like, and if this is your first time on my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. I love having new subscribers. And just share these videos, share my page with your family and friends so that I can be connected with you all. Again, at this moment, I'm just adding more cookies. I've added the last of my pudding and I'm just finishing it off with cookies on top. Wow, this looks so good. Can't wait to have some. Ooh, so delicious. So yeah, just gonna add cookies. It does not have to be perfect, but I like more cookies than I do bananas. I could do like a cookie pudding instead of a banana pudding and I'd be fine with it. Yes, I would. So this is the finished result. Doesn't that look so good? I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And until next time, may peace and blessings be unto you all. Thank you.